Yeah, that sounds really good. Yeah, hey, Joe Fay with an update on the Dodge California Highway Patrol Squad car. Hey, we're in Toledo, Ohio. We're in one of the, quite frankly, one of the rougher sections of town, but wanted to just highlight the body shop work that's going on at Alex Motors here in Toledo. Yeah, looking good. Wow. This whole section has been fixed. Starting to smooth her out. Holes for the mirror, spotlight. All of the top holes have been patched over. That was my head. Taken care of up here. The roof section has been taken care of. So it looks like they've got every hole, every bad section has been taken care of, including down below here. Now this is a little rough looking, but they'll probably put in some Bondo there, I'm assuming. This is covered by the bumper.
There slowly but surely.
Yeah, it's definitely taking shape.
I just gotta, I'm a nitpicker. So
Okay.
a lot of things like I'll stop and go like George, like I started picking out all this old seam sealer. If you look
Oh
at this
yeah,
side,
look at that. Seam sealer came out.
I'm on my refinement stage 2.
Okay.
You can see on this side I haven't picked any out yet, but it's just, it's got crinkles, spots missing.
Right.
Just gotta go back over everything. Yeah, we had our little BMW meeting, so I'm always happy about that.
Yeah. Look who it is. How's it coming?
It's coming. Slowly but surely.
Wow. Yeah, but it's straight, I can tell.
Getting ready to put the stuff on there today.
What are you putting on today?
Some more white stuff, man.
Oh, great.
Some more primer. Let's get it close.
Good deal. I just ordered the inner trunk lining that goes into the trunk and kind of wraps around. It's like a board part, like a yeah. It looks perfect.
Like that old school fiberboard.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, how you doing?
I snuck in, doing good. Testing a part. I had to make some nylon clips. So we're going to test to see if this fits. Perfect. Wow, you've got the door jambs built up. The trunk lid, I mean, jam built. Yes. We're getting close to paint.
I went around all the edges.
Okay.
Now, they had some, but it was mostly just rubber coating, which isn't going to do much. It's going to do like this right here. But it's your edges, so it's exposed, so it's not going to last long.
So this is what you call a body seal?
This is a seam sealer, yep.
Yep,
So I
okay.
just run it across the entire seam all the way around all the doors.
Got it.
That way, you know, the rust, the water and condensation isn't going to get into the edges.
Right, right.
Make sure your drain
And
holes
drain
are
holes work.
ready, good to go. Clear all the dust and debris out of them. Try to get it, you know, neat and clean.
Okay. And then
as you can see, I know because you didn't see, but you can see here all
Yeah.
my welds.
oh yeah, the
holes.
welds from the holes that you from the
Yeah.
old body molding.
And-
Because this came from the top of the line Polara.
And another thing too was the welds up across the top.
Yep,
filling
yep,
those
yep.
holes.
Yeah, they were all on the underside down here.
Yep.
So and now you're basically done priming and doing any of the body work. Where
I'm pretty much done with
Cool.
most of the priming. I have some spots where I went over quickly. I got to take it all the way off.
right,
On
right.
this cowl here.
Yeah. You know what? I don't think I even touched that. I think that was all original.
Yeah, some of this stuff was didn't want to stick, which was really just that spot. I was
Right.
got the whole car ready, and I said, "Oh, I forgot about the cowl," but
Well, it's definitely looking good. And then you got the trunk over here. So that's paint, right?
yep,
Damn.
it's got the signature on it.
All right. So that brings everybody up to speed on where we are on the Dodge. It's in the shop. As you can see, we're about ready to go to paint. And once we go to paint, we'll start putting it back together again. On the video, there was a reference towards some clips I was making. So rather than leave you in the dark, let me just show you quickly what we're doing there. I've been busy polishing up all of the chrome trim. And unfortunately, the chrome clips for the Dodge are rotted and fell apart, and they're not available at all in the marketplace. So I had to fabricate them. This clip is a sort of a trapezoid. It's cast. I have a mold that I built for it, and I put a screw into the mold and then pour the resin, and this effectively allows me to then put in the clips to hold the chrome in place. So these just slide down, and what we'll do is we'll align them with the holes in the car and bolt them together, and these will be totally fastened and stay secure. So there's the story on the clips. Just again, not to keep you guys in the dark. The car should be painted in the next 2 to 3 weeks, and we'll get it home, and we'll do another video as we start to put the car back together again. Thanks a lot for watching.